Hello and welcome everyone. Let's solve today's Leetcode problem December 7, 1760, minimum limit of balls in a bag. You are given an integer array nums where ith bag contains nums of I balls. Okay, you are also given a max integer of maximum operation. You can perform the operations at most maximum operation times by following this rule. Take a ball and divide into two bags of positive number of balls. For example, five balls can be become two bags like one and four, and balls and two is like three. Okay, five can be two or three. Okay, your penalty is maximum number of balls in a bag. You want to minimize your penalty after the operations. Return the minimum possible penalty after the operations after the performing the operations. So what does this suggest is like this problem says is like you have a ball like let's suppose five. Okay, five can be divided into three or two. Okay, two ball. I can split three two, or maybe I can do four one. Okay, I can only split by two integers. It says a two bags. Two bags I can only split into two bags. Okay, that's the one thing. Uh, I I want to say that this is the rule says that. So let's take an array like of the input like 9 array. Okay, how can I split it to it? I can split 3, sorry, I can split 5 comma 4. I can split this thing. Okay, it how many operations I am taking? I had take two operations. If I split this thing, I had taken one operation. Okay, now I can split again 5 4 into 3 2 and 4. Now how much operation it took? Two operations. Okay, I can split 9 into like this also, 4 4 1. Okay, 4 4 1. Okay, this is also one of the scenario. Okay, 4 4 1. And again one more operation I can do like splitting maybe 2 2 4 1, like that. And again I can do one more thing like I can do one more thing like 6 3. I can split the code into 6, so the 9 into 6 3, and from the 6 3 I can do 3 3 3. Okay, 3 3 3. I took two operations. Okay, and this is the least number. 3 is the least number I can get. Sorry, 3 is the least number. 3 I can split uh, the array into three threes. Like here it is like how much the size? It is 4. So this is the 3. 3 is the least number I can get. Okay, so 3 is a very minimum number. Now think like this: how many times I can split? Okay, how many times I can split? How many minimum times I can split the 9? Okay, I can do split it to 1. Okay, if I take 1 as my number, 1 times I am splitting 1 1 1, so I will take 1 1 1 1, like that 9 times I can take it. So that is not like that's cannot be, because it is taking maximum operation of 9. Operations should be less than or at most 2, where it is maximum at most 2. It should be at most 2. So what is the, so how can we solve this problem? I hope you have understood the problem. Let's solve the solution. Let's solve out this problem. Okay, the solution is pretty simple. We are going to use a binary search. Why binary search? Because we got to know one thing: ball cannot split by 0. Like there cannot be 0 bags. So ball can be like minimum of 1, and maximum where like 9. Okay, maximum it could be 9. So we have to find the number between in this how many number in between how many operations. These numbers are like operations. How many operations I can take to split that big bag of balls into this bags, this minimum bags. So for more thing like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, I can do 9. Yeah, 9. I will take 9 operation. That is like one operation. If I took 8, I can do 8 1. That is like one operation I can do. If I took 7, I can take 7 2. Like that I can go till 6, and so I will find like can I go, if I go without going like that, can I go like directly to the midpoint? So I take this 4 as the minimum operation. Let's consider 4. So if I want to do that, if I want to do this thing 8 1 8 2 8, something like that, how I'm getting it? It's very simple. You will be doing 9 divided by 4. That is 2.25. Okay, 2.25. So if you see the if you omit this thing 2.25, yeah, 4 is a very valid threshold, very valid uh, split like 4 can be we can split 4 by taking 4 as well, by doing like 4 4 1. Okay, 4 because this will take operation 2 times. First we will split to get this thing. I will get 8 comma 1, and to after 8 I can get 4 4 1. Okay, so how much operation? Two operations, two operation to reach 4. Now if I go and take the 3, okay, so 9 divided by 3 is 3. 3 is 9. But you can see like if I take 9 and if I do split like 6 3, and again I split this 6 into 3 3 3. Okay, how many operations it is? Two operations. We took two operations. Okay, we took two operations, but we cannot conclude like by 4 we can go here also. But in this operation, like if I got a 3, that means like my operations is exceeding, like it should not exist. So we have to do what? We have to minus 1. Okay, so similarly if I get a 2.25, if I do 9 divided by 4, it gives a 2.25 value. That means like I have to round up to up, round up to up. Okay, you had math dot seal it. Math dot seal means like it will round up towards the uppermost upper round. So it will be 3 and we have to minus it. Okay, I hope like you understood the solution. Let's code this now. So coding time. Let left is equal to, I have to start from 1. Let right is equal to math dot max of dot nums. I want to get the maximum numbers of that. Okay, then I will do a while loop. My left is less than my right. I'll do this thing, and then let mid. We know that operation how to do. Left plus math dot floor, right minus left divided by 2. Okay, now we need an answer. Let answer is equal to result. Okay, we can throw that result as well. Sorry, answer equal to not result, answer equal to right. We'll start from right, and we can throw that return answer. Now we have to check if valid the mid which we are getting, is that valid? Is that valid? If that is valid, then we have to say like my answer is equal to my mid, and my right is equal to mid. Okay, else if that's not a valid number, I have to do that. Else left is equal to typical mid minus, sorry, mid plus 1. Okay, mid plus 1. Left will go to the uh, other side of the mid. Okay, left plus 1. Now we have to make a valid function. Now that threshold and all which I explained. Okay, for that I will create a function const valid. In that if I say mid max balls, this will be like changing into max balls. Okay, now I will do let operations is equal to 0. I will iterate over my loop for let I equal to 0, I less than nums dot length, and I plus plus. This thing I'm going to do. Now let's do, that's the main operation. Like now if I do this thing, this the calculation, like the threshold calculation, what it is, operations plus equal, I have to add that operations into my the calculations into my operations, the threshold, that is math dot seal nums of I divided by max balls, and I, we know like why should I do, like I have to do minus 1 as well. I have to minus 1 because As I said, 9 can be like 333. For that, we have to do minus 1. And if this operations is greater than the max operations, if I'm getting the value greater than max operation, I can return false. Else I can return true. Okay, let's run this. See, I solved this problem. Let's submit it. Voila, you are completed this problem. Now let's discuss about the time complexity of this problem. Is like time complexity will be like of log n, because we are doing that dividing it, like we are using a binary search, and it can be off log, it is like off log n. Space complexity, there is no, I am not taking any space of 1. So this is the simplest binary search solution for this problem. I hope you understood this problem. So that's for today. So to follow my channel, subscribe my channel, please click on the bell button of that my channel. uh let's meet tomorrow with tomorrow's problem. That's all. Thank you. Bye.